Alright everybody, this is Pokemonic here. I got another blister pack for you. This one here is a breakthrough. I was looking at them and the breakthrough set seems pretty interesting. It falls along the same line as Breakpoint, even though I know it came before it. This blister pack sort of caught my interest because it's got three pretty awesome pins. It's got a Mega Charizard, pretty sure that's Y, Mega Lucario, and Mega Charizard X. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get right into this thing. Let's see if I don't launch the pins across the room this time. You can sort of see in the background there, you got my Gyarados and the Scizor pin that I did launch across the room, so hopefully that'll be good luck this time of not doing it. Oops, bumping my camera around again. Dang. Sorry guys, I'm sort of blinding you with my arm there. Okay, so here's the three packs. We got a Mega Houndoom, Zoroark Break, and a Mega Mewtwo Y. Here are the pins. Got the Mega Charizard X there, looking pretty cool. You got the Mega Charizard Y. I prefer the Mega Charizard X just because it's reminiscent of the old shiny Charizard. Then you got the Mega Lucario. Alright, let's go and break right into this pack. Start off with the Mega Mewtwo Y. There's your code card. Oh, I see a border. Okay, we got a Stunfisk, Snorlax, Heavy Ball, Cubone, Hippopotas, Cyndaquil, one of my favorite starters, Goldeen, Starly, Reverse Marowak, which is a rare, and what's our ultra rare? Ooh, Mega Gallade EX. I actually already have the Gallade EX, so that's pretty awesome to me. Now I've got both of them. Pretty cool. Oh, I don't have my sleeves near me. Won't worry about it this time. Okay. We'll open up this Zoroark Break. Maybe we'll get a break card too. That'd be pretty cool. That's asking a little bit much from a blister pack, though. There you go. Okay, we got a Starmie, Kirlia, Parallel City, Pancham, Meowth, Sandshrew, Swinub, Paris, Spritzy, and ooh, a holographic Vivillon. That one's pretty cool looking. Let's see, there you go, you can see the holo there. Alright, last pack, Mega Houndoom. Houndoom is probably my fourth favorite. Remember when trying to find the little guy, the Houndour, is pretty difficult actually, to be honest. But we'll carry on here. Okay. Oops. Alright. Alright, we got a Fisherman, Ursaring, Giovanni's Scheme, Chespin, Woobat, Rufflet, Chespin, another Chespin, Hoothoot, Cresselia. Oh, it was a reverse holo Hoothoot. Wow, okay, completely missed that. And the rare is Cresselia. Alright guys, that's it for today. I will have, well, let's do a quick overview just for the three. We got the Cresselia, Holographic Vivillon, and pretty awesomely here, Mega Gallade. Alright guys, this is Pokemonic signing out.